Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Boom Trainspots. I am your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today we are at Winchfield again, but this time on the bridge. This is quite a kind of, it's not the best bridge I've ever been on. The one at Fleet has a lift. This is just a metal bridge, but you do get a brilliant view of the tracks, so I guess that's a plus. And we'll be seeing trains from South Western Railway and hopefully some freight as well. And let's see what shall turn up. The first train of the day is just emerging from underneath the bridge. Big bridge over there. Here goes. I've only seen 2 trains so far on the bridge, and I've been here about almost half an hour now, so definitely a very, very reduced service. There's no one on any of the platforms, although there's a train that's meant to stop at platform 1, which is this one, in 5 minutes, so I guess we'll see people turning up for that. But yeah, not many trains at the moment. But a very, very hot day. Very sunny as well. This is the last train for the day. Stopper. It's another 12 carriage. Flip. Why are there so many that are so long? Here one comes. Wow, look at that. Whew. That's one of the older diesel ones, and that smells pretty bad. Lots of trains going to London, but not many going the other way. Bit strange. There is finally a train going the other way. Here it comes. I don't think there's anyone on the platform though. Another empty service. And another, what seems to be 12-car long train. Huge. madness. And that's the last train of the day. So that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. And yeah, not many trains today, but you know. So remember everybody, stay alert, and I will see you next time.
Psst, boom. Boom. Hi, Boom.